Hello boys and girls, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page number 17, Phonology Lesson 3. And what this cow is doing here? Maybe we are going to have the answer. We are going to get the answer at the end. Okay? Here we go. Okay. Lesson 3. Listen. Listen and point the word in your book. Listen and number. Say the missing word. Listen and pronounce. Before to do that, please look at this video about a tongue twister. This is a new tongue twister that you should practice at home. Here we go. Pay attention.
The cheeky chimp chucked cheap chocolate chips in the cheap chocolate chip shop.
Okay, excellent. I know that you are going to practice it at home. Okay, now it's time to listen to the words list. Here we go. Pay attention, please. And watch out for the missing word.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Seal. Seal. Out. Out. Feet. Feet. Cow. Cow. Clown. Clown. Crown. Crown. Sheep. Sheep. Sound. Sound. Team. Team.
Okay, excellent. The missing word is B. Excellent. And now maybe you have the answer. Why this cow is here? It's here because it's part of our vocabulary. Okay, excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? And remember, life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Excellent. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.